Have you ever thought about how much of your life is online? Banking, shopping, work, our online accounts like YouTube or social accounts, it's all out there. And here's the scary part. It's not as safe as we like to think. I'm not trying to freak you out, but I've seen firsthand how bad things can get. A friend of mine got hit with ransomware last year. Everything she cared about, gone unless she paid $2,000. Other of my creator friends have had their channels hijacked and renamed with new email accounts, cutting them out completely. That was my wake-up call. Since then, I've switched from the free AVG one to Bitdefender Total Security, and it's been a game changer. They're offering a free 30-day trial right now, and I really think you should give it a shot for a test drive. The link is in the description below this video, a free chance to protect yourself before it's too late. And look, I've tried a bunch of different antivirus software over the years. You know, the free ones like AVG, the ones that come with your computer like McAfee or Norton, and they're either annoying as hell with constant pop-ups of upsells, or they slow everything down, or honestly they don't work that well while also being filled with bloatware. What I love about Bitdefender is that it's actually smart. Like really smart. It uses AI and machine learning, which sounds fancy, but basically it means it's learning from millions of threats every single day. So when a brand new virus or scam pops up, it can recognize the pattern and block it, even if it's never seen that exact threat before. That's a huge relief and a peace of mind. And the behavioral analysis thing is pretty cool too. It watches how your computer normally runs, and if something weird starts happening, like a file trying to access your webcam or a sketchy program trying to run in the background, it catches it immediately. It's like having a really paranoid friend watching your back 24/7, but in a good way. Let me walk you through what it's actually like to use this thing. So when you click the link in my description below this video, you'll land on their official trial page to get it. The whole download process is super simple. Fill in your details to sign up, then click download, choose your device, and it installs itself. Once it's running, here's what I noticed immediately. It is super non-invasive, quietly running in the background without you even noticing. It feels like it's not even there. That's actually the best part. It's not popping up every 5 seconds, being like, "We blocked a threat," when you know it's just a normal website. It runs quietly, and you literally don't notice any slowdown on your computer. The interface is clean and simple. You open it up, and there's a big dashboard that shows you your protection status. Green means you're good. If something needs attention, it tells you. No confusing menus or settings. You don't need a computer science degree to understand it. It's designed to make you feel comfortable and in control. It automatically scans files when you download them, checks websites before you visit them, and monitors your system in real time, all happening behind the scenes while you're just doing your thing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are solid. The protection is legitimately top tier. Bitdefender consistently ranks #1 in independent security tests. We're talking award-winning stuff here. It works across all your devices too, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, so you can protect everything with one subscription. The ransomware protection is excellent, which is honestly the scariest threat out there right now. And like I mentioned, the performance impact is minimal. I game on my PC, I edit videos for a few channels while watching online stuff, and I've never noticed it slowing me down. The cons? There aren't many, except that it isn't free. Some people find that the firewall can be aggressive at first, blocking things you actually want to run, but you can adjust that. And if you're someone who wants to tinker with every little setting, it's not really designed for that. It's more of a set it and forget it kind of deal, which personally, I prefer. But some tech nerds might want more control. Now let's talk pricing, because the free trial is great, but you're probably wondering what happens after 30 days. The one I use and recommend is Bitdefender Total Security. This is the full package. Covers up to 5 devices, works on all platforms, includes parental controls, system optimization tools, the works. First-year pricing is usually around $40 to $90, depending on sales. They often run deals, so shop around depending on the offers available and your country or region. Prices vary. Here's the thing though, the first year is always heavily discounted. The renewal prices are higher, usually like double or triple. So just be aware of that. But honestly, even at full price, given what you're getting and what it would cost if you actually got hacked, had your identity stolen, or had my channels hijacked, it's worth it to me. They've been doing this since 2001. They protect over 500 million people worldwide, and they're not some sketchy company that's going to sell your data or whatever. They're legitimate, they're trusted, and they actually work to protect you, so you can feel secure and confident in your choice. So here's what I'd say. If you are serious about your online safety, just try it. The trial is completely free, and there's no catch. Use it for 30 days and put it through its paces. Browse the web, download stuff, do your normal thing. See if you notice the difference. See if it catches anything trying to mess with your system. After those 30 days, if you feel more secure and you want to keep it, grab one of those first-year deals. If not, no harm done. You can still switch to the Bitdefender free antivirus version. But with everything going on, you should have something protecting your devices. The link's in the description below. Click it, download the free trial, and see for yourself. And yeah, full transparency. It is an affiliate link, so if you end up buying it, I get a small commission. That's how I keep making these videos and testing this stuff out for you. But I'm only recommending it because I actually use it and trust it. Alright, that's all I've got for you today. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and subscribe to our newsletter for more tech tips and safety advice. And drop a comment letting me know. Do you use antivirus software? Have you ever dealt with malware or ransomware? I'm curious to hear your stories. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.